What is Facebook Business Manager? How do you use it to get Instagram shopping, Facebook shopping? Where do you find ads? How do you manage ads? And all of that in today's video. Hi everyone, my name is Lydia, and on this channel we'll learn about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online from home. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to subscribe and press the notifications bell to be notified when I upload. So in today's video, we're going to go through Facebook Business Manager, where you find everything there so you can become a little bit more familiar with it when you're using it either for ads, either to see insights on your Facebook business page or your Instagram account, and to find out things about Instagram shopping, where do you apply for Instagram shopping, and all of that. So business.facebook.com is where you'll be finding Facebook Business Manager, and the first thing that they will ask you is to review the connection between the Facebook account and the Instagram account. This is very important to do, so you need to confirm that connection, because otherwise when you'll be trying to apply for Instagram product tagging, for example, from your Instagram account, they will say that you're not an admin for that Facebook page because the connection is not being made. So make sure to confirm that connection first. Next thing you have on your Facebook Business Manager page is the activity. So there you will see everything that has happened to your Facebook or Instagram posts, to see the likes you've received and the comments you've received as well. Then you have a really cool inbox for both your Facebook business page and for your Instagram account. You can manage messages from there, you can answer them and all that. Then another really cool thing you have are posts. You have a posts page special for your Instagram posts and for your Facebook page posts, and you can see them both in grid or in the feed mode. So for Instagram posts, you can see the grid right there to see how it looks, and you can see it like somebody would see it in a feed. Then you have commerce, which is the commerce manager that I've talked about in this video right here. So check the link below if you want to learn more about commerce manager, how you create a catalog in commerce manager, how you publish a shop in commerce manager, and just everything about it I reviewed in that video, so make sure to watch that video to learn more about Facebook Commerce Manager. Then you have ads, so basically a place to manage your ads, create new ads, and everything you need for your Facebook and Instagram ads. Then the next thing are insights, and under insights you can see everything from your audience on your Instagram account, your audience on your Facebook page. You have overview, trends, content, and the audience I talked about. I believe it is super helpful to see what your audience is, how many people are in your audience, what are the primary countries, are they most female or male. This kind of helps you organize your content more and see what people you're reaching. Then you have more tools, which is where you'll see business settings that we're going to talk about in a minute. And under more tools, you'll find ad account settings, ads manager, ads reporting, audiences, from where you can create a custom audience. You have billing, and then you have business settings. Then you also have, under business settings, you have events manager, page settings, and view page. For page settings and view page, you'll be able to see your Facebook business page and manage it and edit it from there. But now let's go back to Facebook Business Manager business settings, because this is what I want to talk about more in this video. For the business settings, you have the users in the left side of the screen. You have the users, so the partners and people that are associated with your business in Facebook Business Manager. From there you can add and remove admins. Then you have accounts, so like page and Instagram account. That's where you can add or remove an Instagram account or a Facebook page that is directly connected to your business. Then you also have your commerce accounts again, that's where you can find them. You have line of business and also WhatsApp account if you want to add it. Then for data sources, you have catalogs and pixels. And under catalogs, you'll be able to see the catalogs that are created on your Facebook Business Manager account, and you'll be able to manage them as well. You will be able to also add pixels that will allow you to import products from your website directly. Then under brand safety, you have domains. So this is where you go to verify your business domain in Facebook for Instagram product tagging, or just to have it verified in your Facebook business. And you also have block lists. Then you have business info. And here under business information, you need to fill out every single thing. So you need to fill out from your address, from your business phone number, email, and all of that. Because if you don't have those filled out, when you apply for Instagram product tagging, for example, they will give you an error saying that your business info is not filled out. And this has happened many times. And then this reason was given that they didn't have the business info filled out. So make sure you do that before you even apply for product tagging or for having a shop on Instagram or on Facebook. In Facebook Business Manager, you also have the business tools in the up left corner, sort of. You have business tools, and there you can see the shortcuts for things that we've already talked about, like catalog manager, commerce account, pages. You can also see the account quality. Well, you'll be able to see any errors that are given to your Facebook Business Manager account that you absolutely must fix when you're trying to apply for Instagram product tagging or for any other feature that Facebook or Instagram give you. From there, you also have the ads and events manager, and that's where you'll be able to go to manage your ads in that specific Facebook business. In the left corner on the left side of the screen, you'll also be able to change your business. So if you want to go and edit the page or the Instagram account for a different business that you own in that Facebook Business Manager, you can do that from there. In the low left section, you also have other settings that you can do to your business in Business Manager. So that was it for this video. I hope this video kind of helped you become a little bit more familiar with Facebook Business Manager, what it means, where you can find different things like how to verify your domain, how to add a catalog, where do you find Commerce Manager. I wanted to create this video to kind of explain everything that it is on Facebook Business Manager so you can get a little bit more familiar with every single option that they have, with every single button that they have, so you will know exactly where to go when you want to do something for your business or change something to your catalog or commerce account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please give it a like and subscribe down below. And also don't forget to press the notifications bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, which is every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram for IGTVs with insights, income reports that I share from my business that I don't share on my YouTube channel, and also educational reels on social media marketing for business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.